Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all new mutations in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Crystal Adapt update has been released in Fish It, and you can check the update log right here. And as you can see, there are two mutations, guys. The first one is the Leviathan's Rage, and we need this mutation to complete the Captain Jones quest or the Black Pearl quest, and also the Crystallized mutation. And if you want to get the Leviathan's Rage mutation, basically you just need to do fishing, but it's pretty hard to get this mutation, guys. And for the crystallized mutation, from the information I've read, you can talk to this hang NPC that you can find in the crystal depth, and then you can start this quest, crystal gathering quest, and you will get this item, the pickaxe, and this item will help you to get the crystallized mutation. And this is the quest detail. Okay guys, and that's all about the new mutations in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!